Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a TesiraXEL amplifier from Biamp Systems and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amplifier not connecting or not working, or if it's sluggish or lagging or anything like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now also, if you're trying to set this up on a new system, on a new network, this is a good step to do before you do that, to just clear everything out. So it's quite easy. We're going to have power connected to it, and we're just going to come in and find the recessed button. Now, the recessed reset button. Now it's not labeled, but it's pretty easy to find. Just if you go to the back, next to these two jacks here, you'll see it right there in the middle. So you'll just need to come in with a paper clip or a pin or whatever, and you're going to press, and you should feel kind of a click as the button goes down, and you're just going to press and hold that button for about 10 seconds, and then for at least 10 seconds I should say, and then release the button, give it a couple seconds, and the reset should begin. After that, just allow it to complete its reset process, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.